Good evening, hello, mabuhay. This is the blog of the video, the vlog of John of Art, and today's topic is mojito cocktail, mojito sunrise. Excuse me, do you have anything to nibble with the drink?
Yes, sir. But I'd like you to try the pusit, and let's see if you like it with your drink. Have some. How does it smell?
Shrimp or
It's squid.
squid or
Pusit is squid. Locos in Ilonggo.
okay. We have dried squid, but sugar coated, which is not my style. I like it the Korean, the raw way, just salty and dry. This one, no.
This one is
Sorry,
sweet
miss.
and salty.
Yeah. I need to wash it down.
Drink some more. But for me, I like this. This reminds me of my childhood. Sang bata pa ko. When I was a child, we eat this a lot in school, so it brings memories. So this is pusit or lucos. Yep. Sweet and salty. Okay. How about this one? This is fish cracker. And by his looks.
Still struggling with those squids.
Pwede mo ko buligan mag-abre. Can you help me?
Abre, open.
Pwede mo ko buligan.
And
Can you
since
help
I
me?
have been going to the gym and really put on muscles, my dentist loves me. I mean, sure they, she and he. All right.
Abre na?
Abre.
Abre na. So, try one.
Naga abre.
Naga-abre.
I'm opening.
Nagakaon. Eating. So, what do you think?
Well, if that would be given in a bar, I'd say, Miss, how old is this? Really? Okay, that was a bit crunchy, but yeah, you can't really. It's more gooey.
Is it?
Gooey.
Is it?
I think it's a bit old.
Yeah.
I cannot recommend this bar. Because all the...
Yeah, it is.
all the-
It's hard.
It's hard, but it's not fresh hard. It's really gooey hard. No.
So, this is an embarrassment. To the makers of this fish cracker, I just bought this from the supermarket. And, yeah, it's not as fresh. It's... Even me. This is a disgrace. Disgracia in Ilonggo.
But better than those squids.
Really?
Yeah.
But this is shameful. Kahuluya. Kahuluya. Gid kahuluya. Gid ja. I'm
So-
ashamed.
So for a guy or for a tour, what are the most important phrases that we have to know to go into a bar and get the ordering done and having a good time?
Well, when you order, you can say, Miss, ano pwede tada mainom? It's such a mouthful. Miss, pwede ka order? You can also say that in a restaurant. Pwede ka order?
Miss, pwede ka order?
Yes, sir. pili lang. You can choose from our menu.
My menu a la carte.
Pwede man. Ari, sir, pili lang.
Ari, serpi. Serpi sounds like a serpent.
Ano order mo, sir?
Pero subong hindi ko alam.
Well, it's usually written on the board.
Yeah,
so
but
you
I
choose.
take an hour to, how do you say, I take a long time to choose. Or simply put, I don't know what to choose.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam choose
Ano ang
mo.
pilion?
Ano?
Hindi ko kabalo
Hindi ko kabalo
kung ano ang pilion.
kung ano ang pipilion.
I don't know what to choose.
I mumble too. Ano kakalagumabing.
So, pili, sir, may ara kami beer, may ara man kami hard drinks. Ano yun mo, sir? Beer or hard drinks?
Hindi. Gusto mo cocktail, mojito sunrise.
Oh, may ara man kami, sir, cocktail.
My sunrise.
May ara ka.
My ara. Why ara? Why do I need ara? Why can't I say my sunrise, Diri? Isn't there a sunrise here? And then you look out the window and then yes. No, but why what was it called? Ara? Why? Why do I need ara?
It's actually redundant.
See, I'm
But-
teaching the Ilonggo.
But there's no rule there is no rule against redundancy. If you notice, we even double our words sometimes.
Yes, but the double is really the expression, wow, you know, but okay. Anyway, may ara mojito sunrise.
May ara, gid.
But gid, I thought gid is always, what a shame.
No. Gid is to reiterate something. Like, really. Yes.
Gani
really.
was the word. Sorry, I mixed it up. I'm still really like baby steps. So here we go. May ara mojito sunrise.
May ara, gid.
Pila. How much is it? Pila. That's all I really know. So I just go, pila, and they say, wow, he speaks Ilonggo. Of course I don't, but anyway, pila.
In this case, when you say pila, it could either mean how much or how many.
Of course. True.
Pila.
So
But if you want,
I want to say pila dollari. Pila.
yeah, how much it costs. So you say tag pila.
Tag pila.
Yeah, that's the longer way of saying how much.
Tag pila.
Tag pila.
And
100 lang, sir.
you speak English all of a sudden in numbers. 100. I understand 100.
Well, in conversational Ilonggo, yes, we say
But
100.
you want to teach us.
Isa kagatos.
Isa. Okay, that one. Isa katakatos. Katakatos.
Isa kagatos.
Kagatos. Isa
Isa?
kagatos. And now when you know isa kagatos, then you know. But when you don't know, you don't know. Anyway. That is okay.
Isa
One.
kagatos. One, isa. Ka, one of. Gatos is 100. One of 100. Isa kagatos.
I'm one of a kind. Isa kind. Okay. Isang. When was it? Isang
It's
mojito.
Tagalog. Isa ka. Mojito.
Isa ka. Okay. Isa ka mojito.
Okay. You can also say, if you're ordering, isa ka mojito gani. It's like saying please, but
Isa
not
ka
really
mojito
please.
gani.
Yeah. Or isa ka mojito palihog. That's please.
Paliho. I'm either drunk or it's getting really difficult.
Palihog.
Okay, but for someone like me, I say, Isa mojito, please. I think that's good for the initial step.
See, that's the reason why we Ilonggos, we also speak English. So it's Ilonglish. So we combine Ilonggo and English to be understood.
So if I said isa mojito, please.
Isa pa ka mo.
But if I did, because I can't remember all the rest.
Oh yes, we get
I'm
it.
68. So
We get it.
yeah. So really I would say, how about isa ka mojito?
Of course, that's perfect.
Isa ka mojito. Please, por favor.
Palihog.
Palihog.
Yep.
Okay. Palihog. I have to learn that. Okay.
Palihog. Isa
But
pa
now after all that talking, wala.
Wala na.
Wala na? Wala ka? Why
Wala.
can't I say wala ka?
Ka is me.
No,
You.
isa ka, wala ka.
No, wala na.
Doesn't work.
Wala na. No more.
Later.